all-electric vehicle running at optimum performance with a Ford Protect Premium Maintenance EV Extended Service Plan. This comprehensive plan provides premium protection for your vehicle, with routine inspections, coverage for all scheduled maintenance required by the manufacturer, preventive care, and replacement of select wear items to ensure it's running at optimum performance. A Ford Protect Premium Maintenance EV plan includes multi-point inspections, battery health checkup, tire rotations, all required OEM scheduled maintenance for the specified intervals, brake pads and linings, wiper blades, cabin air filters, and shock absorbers. If you intend on keeping your vehicle for years to come, Ford Protect Premium Maintenance EV is formulated to protect your investment while shielding you from the rising costs of labor and parts, locking in future maintenance costs at today's prices. Ford Protect is 100% backed by Ford Motor Company, designed by Ford for your Ford, using Ford authorized parts, Ford trained technicians, and is honored at all Ford or Lincoln dealerships across the US, Canada, and Mexico. Ford Protect Premium Maintenance EV is designed to keep you on the road, mile after mile. So drive on, no matter where the road takes you. Insist on Ford Protect.